Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Quarter Studio. Welcome back. I actually hope you guys are having a very wonderful day and a very wonderful time, guys. So today we are going to be doing a new reaction video to Katrina Velarde, guys. Katrina Velarde. So, guys, Katrina Velarde is performing today "Slay Through the Rain" by Mariah Carey. That's actually a song which is actually performing today. We have actually been doing reaction video to Katrina Velarde actually in the past. I'm very sorry actually if right now we haven't done any reaction videos of her in the recent or this recent months, guys. I'm really sorry. There was a lot of different requests from different people, and the requests were really many, and up to now we haven't even finished doing up to half of the requests of the songs which you really need to do, guys. So there are still more songs coming up. I actually hope you guys are going to love them and you guys are going to enjoy the videos which we have for you guys. So, guys, not to waste your time, let's move into this particular video of Katrina Velarde performing "Slay Through the Rain" by Mariah Carey, and let's see and let's listen to her amazing voice, guys. I can see her new hairstyle. So let's move into the song right now. So you can actually see her, she's seated actually in the middle. Let's listen.
When you get caught in the rain, when nowhere to run, when you destroy and in pain, without anyone, when you keep crying out to be safe, but nobody comes, and you feel so far away that you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone, it's okay. What you say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to faith, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain. Ooh, yeah. Oh, and if you keep falling down, don't you dare give in. You will arrive safe and sound. So keep pressing on steadfastly, and you'll find what you need to prevail. What you say, I nakikilabutan ako.
Guys, that was so wonderful, guys. That was really so amazing. It was really so emotional, and the song actually can make you to cry, guys. You are going to make it through the rain, guys. No matter what, do have faith, do believe. You are going to make it, and you are going to make it so well, guys. So guys, thanks very much for watching this particular video of Katrina Velarde. I actually hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys would like to see more of this video coming up, guys. So guys, thanks very much for watching. Thanks very much for always being there. I actually hope you guys can subscribe. You guys love our video, and you guys should recommend us to do more and more of Katrina Velarde, guys. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, and see you soon, guys.